Hello, I'm making this quick video to show you how to add an alignment to one of your Blackboard assignments so that we can create a collection of assignments that pertain to our program student learning outcome. Right now, I'm in my spring 2023 law office management class that ran last semester, and I want to collect an artifact from this particular class so that we can score it. So how do we do that? This is an assignment that has already been created, but when I show you this, you'll be able to see how you can easily add this to an assignment that you have yet to create in a current semester. So of course you have to have edit mode on because we're going to be editing. Here is week 3 of my semester, and I'm just going to scroll down to where the assignment is, and it says Unit 3 homework. So here's the regular homework assignment. There's a couple of attachments for students to read, and then they upload it the way they normally would. When I right-click on the button for Unit Homework Item Options, of course, you'll see these familiar choices here, including Edit the Assignment. We're not going to use Edit the Assignment, but we're going to come down a little bit to where it says Add Alignments. So again, you can do this to an assignment you've already created, just like I did in my spring semester, or when you create a new assignment, you can do this as part of the creation of a new assignment. So we're going to click on Add Alignments, and a new window will pop open. Your other window is still there. This is just a new one. So it says Discover Goals. There's a lot here, but I'm going to simplify it for you. On the left-hand column where it says Browse Criteria, we're going to scroll down and use the third option, which is Business and Legal Studies and Public Service Division New. So once you select under Goal Set Type, it's going to limit your options on the right. Just going to scroll back up a second. On this page are listed all the program student learning outcome goals that fall under our entire division of business, legal studies, and public service. We are only interested in the paralegal ones, and conveniently for us, they are the first ones listed here. You'll also see that they say new, and that is because we updated our program student learning outcomes just last year. So I asked Roxanne to upload the new ones here. So these are the ones we're choosing. You'll see that they're numbered. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And they are the exact program student learning outcomes that are for our program. Just so you can see, if you scroll down, next comes criminal justice and so on. You can see they're called Criminal Justice New. So what we're going to want to do for this particular year is we're assessing the program student learning outcome of the ability of students to spot ethical issues and resolve them. That happens to be program student learning outcome number 5. So we just click on that button right there and it says item selected. And down at the bottom, you can see it says selected goals. So that's all you need to do. And we're just going to click submit. And then automatically what will appear on your assignment is this note called active goals. And it's going to show that this assignment is aligned with the active goal of being able to identify the legal and ethical principles that guide paralegal conduct and propose resolution of those ethical issues. That is literally all you need to do, is create the assignment. If you've already created it, go back and do this just like I did. If you have yet to create it in this fall 2023 semester or the beginning of spring 2024, then you can add it at this time. What's going to happen on the back end is that once students submit work, you will grade it as you normally do, and the grades will be entered in the grade book. So you go on and do the normal grading that you always do. But separate from that, Roxanne on the back end is now able to pull all of those student artifacts and put them in a separate collection in a new Blackboard site that will be entitled Paralegal Assessment 2023 to 2024. And on that Blackboard website, the 3 of us and anyone else that's available to give just a couple hours of time will score these artifacts, not for a grade for the student, but just to see how are our students doing in this program student learning outcome. I'll talk more about that later, but this is just step number 1, which is aligning our assignments with the program learning outcome. If you have any questions about this or get stuck, let me know. I can do it for you, or Roxanne can do it for you. We can also Zoom to go over it, or whatever works for you. Okay, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.